Sat Sri Akal, Kopitwal, Kya Hal Chal? Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing. We are doing
Awesome.
perfect. Today we are taking you guys to Connaught Place in New Delhi. I'm just joking, we're not traveling anywhere. We are going to a legendary place which started off in 1971 in New Delhi, Connaught Place, which is Khulisi. And today we're taking you guys there. In addition to our trip to that beautiful place, we're also going to be meeting an amazing person. Hint number one, he is known for Bronco Wale Pari.
He met Traveling Desi and Mumbai Nikhil, and he also recently met Chatty Scatty.
And hint number three, क्यों hint दीजिए? Let's go over there and meet him. और I hope ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ आज दी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. मजाक कर रहे हैं. मैं घरों बाहर निकल गया चप्पल पा के बूट पाने भूल गया. I'm gonna go inside quickly and change my chappal to my boota. All right. I won't keep you waiting for that long because the place is not very far away from my house. And apart from shakes, they also have different type of food.
They have kadai paneer sandwich. They have Indian style burger.
Apart from that, they also serve pizza as well. Lots of different flavors of ice creams, waffle stick, waffles, you name it, and they have it. The amazing thing about this cafe or this place is its ambience. Ambience अंदरों बहुत सोहना जी. ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करते. कैसल मोर रोड पे आ चुके हैं. ते कैसल मोर रोड तो अगे कुछ किलोमीटर के ऊपर ही ये लोकेशन हैगी है. बाकी उत्थे जावांगे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ एक होर भी जिवें कि मैं वीडियो की शुरुआत च हिंटां दित्तियां सीगियां. We're gonna have you meet that amazing guy. I just spoke with him and he's on his driveway. I'm sure he has probably reached that location as well. ਜਿਹੜਾ इस place ਦੇ owner हैगे हैं जिथे मैं जा रहा बहुत ही sweet guy है, बहुत ही friendly guy है और मैं तो नहीं पता कि वो बैचलर है या नहीं है बट काफ़ी गुड लुकिंग आई हुई है. ऑलराइट, बट आई एम हैप्पीली मैरिड. तन्नू पता ना फिर वो जी मैरिज लीगल हो गई आजकल. आई एम नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दैट क्रू, बट इफ़ यू आर हैप्पी विद दैट पार्ट ऑफ द क्रू, आई हैप्पीली रिस्पेक्ट दैट क्रू एज वेल. लो जी आप पहुंच चुके हैं दी आइकॉनिक प्लेस इन ब्रैम्पटन शेक स्क्वायर ते. एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग प्लेस. तुहानू अंदर लैके चलते हैं. वेट कर रहे हैं जी अपने फैलो यूट्यूबर भाजी दी. ते तुहानू पहला जाके आप अंदर थोड़े जे एम्बियंस वगैरह दे शॉट दिखा दिंदे आ. उस तो बाद आप तुहानू मिलाने अपने इनक्रेडिबली फेमस हैंडसम गुड लुकिंग गाय यूट्यूबर साडे फैमिली मैंबर हैगे हैं. मैं फैमिली मैंबर तां कहना because YouTube, whoever is on YouTube is doing family vlogs, whatever that they're doing, we do become a very close-knit family.
कहीं चल निकले कहीं
पानी पानी हो गई. मैं पानी पानी हो गई.
Alright everybody, so like I promised you, right now I'm at Shake Square. Amazing ambiance, you've already seen the intro. Now I'm gonna let you meet the guy who I've given 2 hints. The third hint is, ta-da, my man right over here.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है. अरे सर क्या बात है.
Just meet Sunny. The man is absolutely amazing. He has an amazing YouTube channel as well. Do give him love. Support his YouTube channel. It's called Sunny Family. I will definitely put the link of his channel into the description of this video. Do check it out. He's the one who's recommended Shake Square to us. We're going to do a quick meetup with the owner as well. Talk to him about the restaurant and have Sani Baji recommend us on the delicacies because he has been their customer, not just from Ontario, but also from
Delhi.
New Delhi as well. Let's sit down with Samil, with Sani Baji, with Raman and enjoy their company over a beautiful summery drinks as well as some hot drinks And अपना टेंशन पर ये फिर
जरूर सर
आओ जी
Let's
आओ.
start.
All right, let's start. The man right over here, Samil Baji, who is one of the sweetest guy when it comes to owning your place. He, in my opinion, when I met him the first time, Samil Baji is not just the owner of this restaurant, he is also working as an employee as well, which basically means that there's a lot of diligence that is in place. Obviously, when you got the owner in the store, you are bound to get high quality standard products. Samil Baji, welcome to Canada Family Vlogs. Tata ji, Mike.
Thank you so much, sir, for the intro. I really appreciate the kind words you said. And of course, welcome to Shake Square, you and your family. Again, just to give you a little bit of an introduction about the brand, this was started by my grandfather in the year 1971 in the heart of New Delhi, Connaught Place. We have painted that beautifully on the wall over there, you would see. Again, this was something that was not a trend before. People would be lining up in the 1970s to get that bottle of happiness, which we call the milkshakes. Specifically, butterscotch has been such a unique flavor that not a lot of people have been able to enjoy in Canada so far. But of course, as Jasmeet Sahni sir has said too, butterscotch is something that people get drawn towards, and getting that authenticity back through our brand is even more joyful because we are able to fulfill people who have been missing for so many years in Canada. Other than that, again, we've added a lot more food items that you're going to try tonight. And let's see what you have to say about that.
Beautiful. So like I said earlier, this is not going to be just a boys' party. We're not sexist. My wife is here as well. We're going to pig out like crazy at Canada Family Vlogs. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you guys waiting for? Give this video lots of likes. Spread this video and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification tab because that's the only way you guys are going to be notified whenever the new videos are posted. Talli is a must, all right? Let's get some food going. I am freaking starving. Bhai, tusi?
Allah मैं तो कल रात ही नहीं खाया कुछ.
बस फिर बढ़िया. Raman, how about you? Are you starting as well?
Yeah.
When we used to be kids
Right.
long time back in India, so the best thing what we used to have in marriages was butterscotch ice cream,
Perfect.
and in Canada we never had that taste क्योंकि इतने butterscotch ice cream नहीं मिलती है. जो मिलती है, those crunchies are missing inside this what we call it the scotch.
Praline, yep.
Yeah, so that is missing. So add to try karo. This is the best. I have been drinking this since last 25 years from Shakespeare only.
Beautiful. So as recommendation from Sahni family and from Shakespeare's owner, we're going to be devouring this amazing butterscotch milkshake. Paji, kariye fir cheers glass mein paake.
लो भाई.
आओ जी.
Okay.
लो जी ਆਪਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਨੌਟ ਪਲੇਸ ਨਿਊ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲਾ ਪਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਇਸ ਗਲਾਸ ਦੀ ਬੋਟਲ ਤੇ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਫਲਾਈਟ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿੱਤੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਪਾਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿੱਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਪਏ ਆ ਔਰ ਠੰਡਾ ਠੰਡਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਟਰ ਸਕਾਚ ਮਿਲਕ ਸ਼ੇਕ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੀਅਰ ਐਟ ਸ਼ੇਕਸਪੀਅਰ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਫੂਡ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੈਜੈਂਡਰੀ ਬਟਰ ਸਕਾਚ ਸ਼ੇਕ ਚੀਅਰਸ ਕਰੀਏ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਯੂ ਡਿਡਨਟ ਗੈਟ ਸਟਾਰ ਮਨ ਸੌਰੀ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦੈਟ ਆਮ ਵੈਰੀ ਸੌਰੀ I should have put a straw for you. My apologies. All right, Sahni family and Canada Family Vlogs, a big cheers. Just for you guys on Canada Family Vlog. Oh my God, this is amazing. For me, absolutely 5 out of 5. How do you see?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. What about you, Raman?
9.
9 out of 10? Perfect, excellent. Perfect amount of blend of ice, not too cold, not too warm, just perfect. Just like the way we like it, absolutely amazing. The crunch that comes into your mouth after taking the first sip, incredible, absolutely incredible. What's this, buddy?
This is cassata shake.
Cassata shake. वैसे जितना
Cassata is an ice cream basically.
Okay.
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ cassata ice cream ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ. It used to come in layers, 3, 4 or 7 layers ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ. It's a cakey type ice cream. So cake ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ and this is the shake. ਉਸੀ ਦਾ cassata ਦਾ shake ਹੈ.
Perfect, excellent. Let's devour this bad boy as well. So this is buddy for you, cassata milkshake. Thank you, Raman, for you. All right, let's do one more cheers. I feel like especially because I'm holding on the bottle. One more cheers for cassata milkshake. All right, cheers, guys. Excellent, perfect. Both of them really good. For this one, I like the praline crunch in my butterscotch. For me, butterscotch is definitely a winner. For cassata milkshake, I'm going to give 4 out of 5. The butterscotch milkshake, 5 out of 5. Paji, how about you?
Both are great for me.
Perfect. Raman, what about you for you?
I like the butterscotch.
Butterscotch? Excellent, perfect. Let's start picking in. Very first thing we've got is mutter. We're sharing the food right now because we have so much mountains of food to eat, and I always teach my daughter sharing is caring. So I should implement that as well between us adults as well. So we're gonna try mutter kulcha first. All right, Paji, go ahead. Okay, perfect. Bhai kulcha lo. ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਟਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਜੀ ਮਟਰ ਕਾਫੀ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੇ हैं moist soft ਕੁਲਚੇ again fresh amazing ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਰੀ ਚਟਨੀ ਪਿਆਜ਼ ਧਨੀਆ it's quite get a bite of ਪਿਆਜ਼ onion kulchas are quite nice they are toasty which adds and has crunch to it they're warm and like I said earlier quite fresh ਤੁਸੀਂ ਭਾਈ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੱਗੇ
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ
Yeah.
ਮੈਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ I'm regular
You're regular here.
ਮੈਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ
excellent what about you
whenever I miss Delhi food ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਇੱਕ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਡਿਸ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ I'll go ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਸਾਰੀ ਡਿਸ਼ਸ ਖਾਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਵਾਂ
How about you, Raman? Good? Did I get it? Excellent. Over here, Sunny Party has recommended Kesar Pista Milkshake. And again, I'm pretty sure it's going to be legendary as well. But we'll give you a review.
now please do not pour into the glasses
Okay.
try with this and ਇਹਦਾ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੀ ਟੇਸਟ ਹੈਗਾ
Oh, yeah?
yeah
We don't do the honors. Go ahead.
It has taste of milk banana.
Milk badam.
yeah
Nice.
Kesar
Very
pista
nice.
milk badam.
Yeah.
Thick, creamy. मैं पाजी ਨੂੰ ऑफर नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि पाजी ने I think अमृत छकिया पे है so because I can see the gatra on his underneath his shirt not that I'm looking in his shirt I'm just saying ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਧਾਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ in our culture in Sikhism culture there are people who are baptized and basically what that is that people who are wearing a gatra they're called amritari we cannot offer food that we've already drank to an amritari because that's considered a bit of a disgrace into the religion so I'm not going to offer it but I'm going to taste it all right oh my god this one actually beat the first two. So for me, this is definitely a 5 out of 5. Absolutely amazing. And the best part so far about all these three shakes are, they're different. They're not only different in taste, but in sweet nahi hai. Like it's not overpowering your palate, right? This is what I like about it. कि तुसी पियो के लिए अपना मिठा खाना ना कई बारी,
That's
तो अपना सड़न लग जाता है गला.
Yeah.
It's not like that. Perfect. All right. So let's start. पाजी की recommend next day शुरू करिए.
next is try कचौड़ी अगर आज ज़्यादा ठंडी होगी फिर मजा नहीं आएगा
No problem.
So,
पाजी लो.
प्याज मसाला and everything ना उसके नाल
Perfect.
and just try with this
हम मटर भी पाओ जी
and different again
Hello.
थोड़ा
Oh, this is different.
this is a little different क्योंकि ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ sauces ਵਗੈਰਾ ਉਹ different ਹੋਣਗੇ
Perfect. ਆ ਜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਚੌੜੀ ਸਰਵ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਟਰ ਲਾਈਕ these ones ਆ ਜੀ ਮਟਰ ਦੀ ਕਚੌੜੀ ਭਾਈ ਪਿਆਜ਼ ਕਿ ਮਟਰ ਦੀ ਕਚੌੜੀ
ਪਿਆਜ਼ and ਮਟਰ ਕਚੌੜੀ
Let me show you guys inside of this. There you go. Inside ਦੇ ਮਟਰ ਭਰੇ ਪਏ ਆ ਜੀ ਪਿਆਜ਼ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਸਰਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਪਿਆਜ਼ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਸਰਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਮਟਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
This one's very good.
Very nice. Very very nice.
खस्ता कचौड़ी
सर पहले तो इसको हम फ्राई करके इसको oven में बेक भी करते हैं इसको so that is why the crispiness you are feeling right now is coming out of that procedure that we are taking extra right now here because kachori is meant to be khasta as he said
Absolutely.
that crunchiness जब तक आंदा नहीं ना we do not feel that
Absolutely.
so and that to add to that we are giving out matra or chole that people sometimes say
बिल्कुल,
to give that Delhi wala taste in it
बिल्कुल for sure.
but बाकी तुसी दसो how do you feel about
It's amazing. It's got beautiful layers, and the best part is not it's only hot and fresh. It's cooked all the way through. Like you cannot see kacha dough, what we call it raw flour-based stuff. It's cooked nicely from outside, and as you bite into it, it's quite nice and soft. So it's got nice, beautiful crunch on the outside, the kasta, that's what we call it,
Yeah.
and beautiful, nice, soft, and mushy, nice feeling on the inside, which is amazing. Excellent. Next, by son, so agli dish hai. Try kariye.
I think the next has to be the veggie burger
Veggie burger.
Jasmeet sir's favorite is
There you go. We're gonna call it at Shake Square. Jasmeet Sani's recommended veggie burger. Since we have Jasmeet Sani Paji, he's gonna start us off. It keeps getting better and better. Yeah,
it's melting in the mouth
yeah. So inside, we've got homemade tikki.
Yes.
Right. Lettuce, mayo, their own secret sauce, and alongside a bit of tomatoes, carrots, some I can see Paji Americana ketchup, ya phir,
it's like another hot sauce that
hot
we
sauce.
use in house
Beautiful in-house hot sauce. Amazing flavor. जे इंडिया की याद आ रही है 2600 2800 3000 3500 टिकट लेके जाने की कोई लोड़ नहीं है शेक स्क्वायर पे आ जाओ ब्रैम्पटन है गए हो या मिसागा जितने भी है गए हो शेक स्क्वायर पे ब्रैम्पटन में लोकेशन पे आ जाओ तो सब कुछ मिल जाएगा
पनीर टिक्का मसाला
पनीर टिक्का मसाला सैंडविच नो प्रॉब्लम ऑलराइट चीयर्स ਤਾਂ ਬਣਦਾ ਬਈ
cheers
ਚੀਅਰਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਈਕ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੈਂਡਵਿਚ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਲਰਾਈਟ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਈਸ ਖਾਲੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਦਾ ਪਨੀਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੀ ਪਨੀਰ ਨਾਲ ਲੋਡਡ ਹੈ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਗਿਵ ਯੂ what they mean it quality top notch we're going to meet the owners right over there owners Rad right over here Uncle Ji, first of all, Uncle Matha Teke ji, बढ़िया जी blessings लगी है. Thank you so much, Uncle. It was a pleasure meeting you. Uncle, your name, please?
Surinder Pahuja.
Who is the legendary mind behind the counter. I'm sure you guys have seen a couple of his videos or a lot of his videos. The location down at Connaught Place. Uncle is the one who's behind the scenes, who is manning everything down, who's serving the customers since 1971. Right, Uncle?
Yeah.
ਤੇ ਅੰਕਲ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ
ਬੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ
ਵਧੀਆ
First class.
ਗੁੱਡ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਅੰਕਲ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਸਟਮਰਸ ਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਗਾਰਾ
response ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ।
ਅੱਛਾ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਐਕਸਲੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਅੰਕਲ ਜੀ ਸ਼ੇਕ ਸਕੁਅਰ ਦੇ ਕਸਟਮਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਵੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਸਪੈਸੀਫਿਕ ਮੈਸੇਜ
ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੈ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੈਗੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਰ
ਪਰਫੈਕਟ
ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੈ
Excellent, perfect. All right, guys. So you heard from Ahuja uncle, amazing guy. Like I said earlier, sun is amazing, ambience is amazing, and right over here, Sunny Badi for inviting us over at this location, enjoying this delicious food with us. Vlog ਨੂੰ ਕਰਦੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਖਤਮ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਹੁਣ ਦਬਾ ਕੇ ਫੂਡ ਹੁਣ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਟਕਾਰ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੈ ਹਿਚਕੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਮੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਅੰਟਿਲ ਦੈਨ ਜਸਮੀਰ ਭਾਈ ਜੀ ਜਾਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਇਓ ਤਾਂ ਪਾਨ ਆਈਸਕ੍ਰੀਮ ਔਰ ਕਸਾਟਾ ਆਈਸਕ੍ਰੀਮ ਵੀ ਟੇਸਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਬਾਈ ਦ ਵੇ ਫॉर ਦੋਜ਼ ਆਫ ਯੂ ਡੋਨਟ ਨੋ we usually do not consume pan, but what we're really trying to do is we're trying to enhance our palate, enhance the flavor, and make sure we want to try as many things as possible from here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try pan ice cream and kasata ice, right, buddy?
Yes, buddy.
And then after that, we're going to give you a proper review of that too. Overall, like I said earlier, the experience has been nothing but phenomenal. This is the pan ice cream. I can see some tutti frutti chunks in them. Looks quite nice. Kasata ice cream, there you have it. Looks quite nice, looks creamy, looks like it has 3 nice flavors on top. It's loaded with a lot of crunchy stuff. Looks like dry fruits on top of that. And
So pistachio, tutti frutti, strawberry,
Strawberry.
vanilla with nuts on top.
perfect, excellent. So quite a lot of nice layers. Brilliant. Yeah, very good. Very, very nice. Very refreshing. अपनी जर्नी कंप्लीट नहीं होनी थी मेरे ख्याल में आत्मा के प्रति होनी चाहिए पानी रेकमेंड ना कर दें ये ऐसे खाना राइट hoping that you guys are able to hear us नहीं सुन सकते तो तुमने गुंगी हुई देख लिया okay but let's keep eating we're going to try the pan flavor and then we're going to say sayonara just please pan की है pan basically beetle leaf right
Yeah.
beetle leaf उसी flavor की आइसक्रीम बनी है usually जो beetle leaf का leaf होता है itself it's quite digestive. People eat pan for many reasons, many purposes. Pan is not a bad thing. It's what you put inside the pan makes it bad. Right? There are certain substances people put in the pan which are not good for your health. But this is all natural, made with milk, and it tastes amazing. Just like pan, exactly. Raman Lucknow to है, तो 500 वाली बड़ी खुदी आई है. So मैं जब बरमाला में मैंने 5 पत्तियां की पाई थी I'm just joking right now. But this is really, really nice guys. This is very refreshing. I think इधर विस्तार Samir Bhai, correct me if I'm wrong. इस पर गुलकंद भी पाया? Yes. See, whenever you're enjoying, you know what's inside it as well. Samir Bhai, finally signing off now. Added हो गए से मैंने जितना कुछ चीज़ा. Until next time, stay happy, stay corona free. If you are in Ontario, in Canada, or across the border in the US, and you want authentic Delhi-style cafe food, you need to come to Shake Square, located in heart of Brampton. Castlemoran Airport Road is a major intersection. I'm going to be leaving the description of this location in this video. You guys can come and check it out. Take care. Until then, bye-bye. लगता है तुझे मेरी वीडियो एंड हो गया यार और देखो आपने करने कैसी वीडियो चाहते हैं देख वीडियो को पता नहीं चल रही है भाई जान दिया ना वीडियो वाली खाली भी नहीं होती इतनी सी वीडियो चल रही आ रही है ऑन द लास्ट नोट आप शादी वाली कॉफी पी के जावांगे जूम पी के जावांगे और थोड़ी सी एक कोई जस्ट फॉर ओके फिर 5 महीना कोई ना पी यार आपको किसे मिल रहा है कॉफी शादी वाली कॉफी पी के जाना अगर आपने प्लान वीडियो की शादी की कॉफी पी के सही गल है ऑनेस्टली अपनी शादी तो खा रहे हैं और आंखों से छोटी मेरे सामने लड़की मंचूरियन खा रहे हैं दाली के लग रहे हैं खाने लग रहे हैं जनाने के मेकअप का उतरी खा के और मैं ਉੱਥੇ बैठा गले च माला बैठी हुई और कमाल की बात है इतने पैसे वाला देगा माला के पैसे वाली बात और वो पैसा खर्च कर रहा है दी आइकॉनिक शादी वाली कॉफ़ी और जो इसको कहते हैं जी शादी वाली कॉफ़ी सॉरी मैंने पता सीखा आसान भाईदा आसान निकला मेरी हिंदी सुन के हिंदी मेरी थोड़ी सी ख़राब है थोड़ी सी नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है तो आप हम ट्राई करते हैं शादी वाली कॉफ़ी the smell of this coffee it immediately reminds you of India whenever you're in India and you're in Indian marriages. If you've been to an Indian marriage in India, not in Canada, but in India, you are bound to find this coffee. The smell, it reminds you immediately of India. We're going to do 1/2, right? 1/3 Paji ke nahi 1/3 karte hai. Raman is not a coffee drinker, so it'll be Paji, Smil Paji, and myself. It's piping hot. It smells amazing. Incredible, absolutely incredible. Perfect amount of sugar, perfect amount of that caffeine hit, and the smell, incredible. Thank you guys for the wonderful hospitality. Paji, pleasure meeting you. Honestly, lifelong bonding has started. Cheers, guys. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੀ ਆਈਕੋਨਿਕ ਫੋਰਡ ਬ੍ਰੋਂਕੋ ਹੈ